Tegan. I'm a professor at the University of Montreal, MILA. Workshops like this are really important for international collaboration on AI safety. It's not something that we can solve from within any one country or organization. We really need the collaboration between governance and technical people that these kinds of workshops enable.
Coming to the Singapore Alignment Workshop has been a great opportunity to meet people interested in AI safety, and it's been super interesting talking to people with our one-on-ones, hearing from them through the presentations and learning through the posters they put up. And it's been really good because you've been able to bring together the perspectives from both the technical community and also the policy side.